The JM-2900 is an economical alternative to larger gas jets. It's lighter and more maneuverable, yet maintains the same flow rate and pressure as its big brothers. It's driven by a 389cc engine, connected directly to a 3,000 psi 4-gallon-per-minute pump with Vibra-pulse. A 200-foot capacity hose reel is mounted on an easily maneuverable heavy-duty frame with 2 pneumatic tires. Water jets use a stream of high-pressure water that hits the stoppage and flushes it away. The thrust of the jet nozzle drives the hose down the line and gives you wall-to-wall cleaning action. High-quality pumps and engines mounted on sturdy frames, sending the water surging through heavy-duty jet hose and stainless steel nozzles, with features and accessories to clear stubborn grease clogs, blast through debris-choked lines, and cut through impossible ice blockages. That's General's Jet Set. With a wide range of models to choose from, General has a jet to fit your needs in almost any situation. For more information, call the Drain Brains at General. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.